Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, lately, while I've been playing Disney Solitaire, I kept seeing whispers about this little magic trick floating around. Something that promises tons of stars and coins with barely any effort. Sounds a bit like finding a hidden treasure chest in your favorite Disney world, right? At first, I wasn't sure if it was real or just another fairy tale. But curiosity got the best of me. So I decided to give it a try myself and see if there was any real magic behind it. In today's video, I'm going to take you along on the journey, step by step, show you exactly what I did, and together we'll reveal the final outcome at the end. So grab your cards, get comfy, and let's dive into this little adventure. First things first on this little adventure, I needed to find my player ID. So I opened up Disney Solitaire, tapped into my profile settings, and there it was waiting for me. Once I had it, I made sure to copy it and keep it safe for later. Honestly, it was super quick and easy. Nothing tricky at all, just a simple first step to get things started. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work fine. Then I typed in the website that everyone's been mentioning. The page loaded without any issues, no weird pop-ups or redirects right away. Everything looked pretty clean and simple to navigate. Next, it was time to continue the journey. Once I landed on the site, I searched for Disney Solitaire and picked it from the list, just like choosing your level before a new round. After that, I selected my device type. I'm playing on Android, but there was an option for iOS as well, so just choose whatever you're using. Then I pasted in my player ID, gave everything a quick double check, and tapped continue. Up to this point, everything felt super smooth and easy. No puzzles, no challenges, just a few simple taps to move forward. Now I had to choose how many resources I wanted. Since I was testing this properly, I went with one of the bigger amounts just to see if anything would actually happen. After confirming my choice, the site started showing loading animations and progress bars. It definitely looked like something was going on, but of course that doesn't always mean it's real. At the end, there was also a short verification step, which you usually see on sites like this. I already went through that earlier, so let's jump ahead and see what happened. And then came the moment of truth, the part that honestly felt like opening a reward chest at the end of a level. After finishing everything on the site, I jumped straight back into Disney Solitaire to check my account. And there it was. The extra stars and coins had already appeared, just sitting there waiting for me. No restarting the game, no loading screens, no waiting around. It all showed up instantly, which definitely caught me off guard. Now that I've gone through the whole process myself, I'll leave it up to you to decide if it's something you want to try on your own. If you've ever tested anything like this before, drop a comment and share your story. I'd love to know how it went for you. And if you enjoyed coming along on this little Disney-style adventure, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.